Guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl TT again, and it's a lovely spring day outside. I'm just sitting outside getting some fresh air, and like the title says, it's story time. Story. Yeah, it's a very short story, but yeah, here it goes. Hi. All right, here it goes. When I was much younger, I had a friend that I used to visit on Sunday afternoons. And one Sunday I visited her and she offered me a bottle of Fanta, which is my absolute favorite. She had a bottle of Sprite. She served the bottle of Fanta, she poured it into a glass, and she poured her bottle of Sprite into a separate glass, obviously, and she left it on the table. But when she was pouring my Fanta, she did not pour it all. She left a little bit at the bottom, and she poured it into her glass first before she poured her Sprite on top. And I felt like that's cheating. Why is she doing that? But she stepped out of the room before we started drinking, and as foolish as I was, I picked up her glass and I took a sip from her glass. So she came back and she asked, and mind you, I was the only person in the room. Yeah, so she asked, who has taken a sip of my glass, of my drink? And I said, not me. I know that's very stupid, but I actually did say not me. Yeah. So she said, I can see a mark on the glass, like a lip, and it looks like it's fresh. Someone has just taken a sip of my drink. And I said, no, it's not me. And she didn't say anything. She went quiet. And since then, well, I think that very day I felt so bad that I did not tell the truth. I felt so bad, and I wish I had apologized to her, but I didn't. And that little thing took such a strain on our relationship. It's like I was ashamed to even go back to her house again, and she never invited me over again, and we sort of drifted apart. We still say hi to each other, but we're not like friends as we used to be. So moral of the story is, do not betray your friends' trusts. And the little things are really important. That little thing that I did cost me a very, very good friend. And I was young then. I think I was 13 or 14 back then, and I regret it so much. I still do. I regret it so much, and I wish I could just go back to her and say I'm so sorry for what I did, but I haven't done it yet, and I think this is my opportunity to do it. I've been pondering over this for a while now, and I think I should reach out to her and say, hey mommy, I'm very sorry for what I did. So yeah, it's a very short story, and I hope it teaches somebody out there, little things are very important. Do not betray your friend's trust. It's really important. So have a lovely day, and the final part of the marriage series will come soon. So have a lovely day and be blessed and have fun. Bye guys. Bye.